I'm playing Fortnite. Just one of the best mechanics.
I should check out too. That's pretty much it. Yeah.
What? Do you guys like the keyboard sounds? Want to be some good keyboard sounds? She said take the meat out the oven. Wouldn't let me shoot. Keep going crazy.
Conversation with mama, she said I'm in too deep. I said my niggas rich and free, it's hard to give me some sleep. It's hard to give me some peace. So many ups and downs, sometimes I feel like I can't balance it. It be challenging, so many challenges. Yeah. Sometimes harder to get on. My mom says to be smarter, you were artist and a father. My mom says to be smarter, you were target and regardless. You lead us to the people and them young niggas is watching. Young niggas believe you don't let them down, be cautious. And I got skills and other things, but rich on rapping pain. So much that came with all this fame, but I remain the same. Hope you don't think cause I got chains, that's what made me change. It's just life got so strange, I had to switch lanes. These niggas put up and I be outside. They cut like for outside. I'm about to be front line with shots fired. I was out of town that night with standing in church, clearly how did I have to protest? I seen my nigga lay the rest in the Sunday best. Polo on his head in church, now that's cash too fresh. Wish we would have seen you eye to eye before you left. And one promise to out for life, nothing else. Ain't no love, ain't no help, every man for themselves. Better watch your homies, you go scrap or get strapped to a shelf. Ain't no complaining when it's raining, play the hand you dealt. Ain't got no options, some niggas who mad that I made it. Ain't shit you good now that I made it clear, can't be baby. Telling that exaggerate, ain't even half the case. It's funny, ain't it's fascinating how you play me. Wanna hit the show, but you ain't show up till I graduate. I can take out to the south, I ain't no elevator. Thinking my cousin Deja. When it's with 13, when she left, I was 15, when she left the scene. It's when the home knows when they all cry. My soul, my soul, say it won't be long. All I want is when home knows all cry. My soul, my soul, my soul, It's the holiday friends and family sale at JCPenney, and you're invited. Everyone can take home something extra with their 30% off coupon. That's on top of already great savings across the store, like 50% off essentials to deck your halls and home, and up to 40% off loose playform. Perfect for any get-together. Or use your coupon to save an extra 30% store-wide. JCPenney, make your holidays count. Offers valid on select styles. Store-wide coupon ends 12/3. Busy done ends 12/6. Home sale ends 12/17. Exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details. So much pain, built up deep inside. Try to control it, but the anger built up deep inside. Leaving nothing to show it. Who got that capacity? Who got that capacity? And I'm the one who's hoping. I like going on those fights that I be in. No standing at the center, no one on my center. I'm trouble for too long, racking in my feelings. Fighting something so real, I feel it. Rolling like a nigga pole, and it's a real. When I'm thinking about my lifestyle, like my family. I can see it when I better while I'm going on it. When I'm thinking out my head, I'm thinking shit. Same man, got the power, nobody cares. Sorry if I'm feeling better when you're out of here. You wanna stay on the hot, feel out of here. I got my blanket on the window, now they tell me chill. I think when they first say I got my head, I'm praying. Put the pressure on my chest, make me feel a certain way. Like nobody understand me, I'm stuck inside of names. But if everybody crazy, know that you was being crazy. Feel the deep inside. I'm trying to control it, but the anger built up deep inside. Lead me to explode it. Who got that capacity? Who got that capacity? And I'm the capacity. Crazy, ain't no word to it too. Better wait to tell the time, thinking around is just cool. Doing bitches on the side, and I might find one or two. You let them say, I make friends live. You like I'm waiting for you. Don't lie to me. Oh my dancing, hurt me, I did. So don't way I lay awake if you're not around me. I'm still on you, still got you. Your love language. Show me, girl. How would you like to tell me? Understand how you feel. Your love language. I know what you want. I can hear what you're going. Section like a golden. You know what I want to. I know what you're going. You want me on them birds again. It's close to an end. When you put that pussy to me like you do. Tell me if that was your fault, like you do. Nobody gets to do the one like you. Finish up and listen to my mind. Never mind, I am back to you. So, show me, girl. How you next to tell me. Understand how you speak. You love me well. You let me get your past memories on. Coming like you want them sessions, screwed up like you laugh, bitch, looking screwed up, baby. Coming like you don't care, missing this old things that all these do it. Between me Hey, viewers! We have some great news. Smashbox and Too Faced Cosmetics and Calvin Klein fragrances are making their debut at JCPenney Beauty just in time for the holidays. Get party ready with Neural Skincare, all-fresh hair care, and a full assortment of brands you love. Find your go-tos or discover something new. Plus, feel like a VIP with free mini services in-store every day. And as always, shop 24/7 at jcp.com/beauty for all the ways you glow. Make your holidays count. JCPenney. There's threat. Then there's our element.
Roby match, you can't get one.
Told me that you love me. You used to stay home every night, but now you're in the street. I'm home about to creeping with some chicken destiny. I'm so fed up with all your lies and your deceiving me. You act like you don't even remember how we used to be. Like you never existed. Like you don't even miss me. What did I do to make you treat me this way? Something I did, something I say.